Silver birch trees are largely edible. The leaves are edible, the bark and the inner bark are edible, the catkins are edible, and apparently just chewing a twig is quite nice. There's one. So if I just chew that, it's quite sweet. Yeah, it's quite sweet if you chew it a bit. It's actually sweet. It's all the stored sort of carbohydrates and sugars in the bark. That's useful. There are quite a few different trees you can do that with, but if you can actually dig out or strip out the inner bark and dry it and use that as a source of carbohydrate. But if you're just walking, just pick up a little twig and chew it. And it's just a little bit sweet, so you're getting a little bit of energy from it. That's quite useful. Yeah, that's actually quite interesting. And the buds, the little leaf buds, they're quite sweet as well. But the bark is sweeter. That's interesting. Yeah, you could do this with quite a lot of trees, poplar trees and hazels and quite a few. But that's quite interesting. I wonder if it's like just biting into a bit of this. Maybe that's not so easy. But these little flimsy bark branches, they're quite good. Yeah, all this like stuff inside. Yeah, sort of mildly sweet, but yeah, I suppose it's like useful to know. Silver birch tree is very quick growing, very nice trees. This one, I can't remember how long this one's been in, but a very good quick growing tree, and nice growing in clumps, and they like just a few years to get a canopy. Some of these are just incredibly fast growing, but they don't live as long as oak trees, but they get just as tall. This lovely silvery bark. Really nice trees. One of my favourite trees. They come from all over the temperate part of the northern hemisphere. So Russia, Canada, North America, Europe, Asia, like the whole kind of bit all the way around. Loads of different types of them, and really nice, good sort of pioneer tree. Very good at colonising new areas, and then the bigger trees move in later. So a very good tree, the silver birch.